Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02433 error in Oracle Database 12c. I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user call /scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to alter the table. So alter table, employees, disable primary key. Alter table employees, disable primary key. ORA-02433 cannot disable primary key not defined for table. So what is the problem here is without knowing whether that employees table having constraint, I have typed the query to disable the primary key. So now what I am doing, I have logged into the SQL developer and I am ran the query called select star from all constraint where owner is /scott. So you can see there is no constraint for the table called employees. Okay, there is no constraint for table called employees. So now what I am doing, I am altering the table employees and add the constraint primary key. Okay, now let me run the query select star from all constraints as a sysdba. In SQL developer, you can see that newly created primary key constraint is available and enabled. Okay, now once again I am re-executing the disable primary key query. Alter table employees, disable primary key. So now you can see that table is altered. Now let me refresh the table in refresh the result in SQL developer. You can see that primary key is disabled. So this is the fix for ORA-02433.